Just a few hours away lies the diverse pleasures and gorgeous coastlines of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this lively beach is the perfect blend of sun and atmosphere. With a restaurant right on the beach, you can enjoy a meal to the sounds of the sea. But why spend all your time lazing on the beach? Feel the wind against your face as you tear it up on a jet ski. Or experience the thrill of riding a banana boat. For adventure seekers, we recommend some of the local scuba diving. There's nothing else quite like it on the planet. Make sure you don't miss the nearby attractions. These options and activities make this a great choice for families or friends. So go on and treat yourself to a little fun in the sun.